Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download VS Code in 2026. Visual Studio Code is available for major desktop operating systems, so downloading the correct version is the first step toward getting your development environment ready. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for the official Visual Studio Code website. Once you reach the official download page, you'll see options for different operating systems. If you're using Windows, choose the Windows download that matches your system. Mac users can select the appropriate version for their device, while Linux users can choose a package that works with their distribution. Click the download option and wait for the installer to finish. Depending on your browser, you'll usually see the downloaded file in the download section or near the browser's toolbar. Before opening the file, check that you downloaded it from the official Microsoft Visual Studio Code website. This is an important step because downloading software from unofficial sources can expose you to modified or unsafe installers. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the VS Code installer. You can then launch it and continue with the installation process. If you're downloading VS Code for another computer, you can keep the installer available and transfer it using a trusted method. Just make sure the version is appropriate for the operating system you're setting up. You can also download VS Code again whenever you need a fresh installer, especially when setting up a new computer or reinstalling the application. If the download doesn't start, check your internet connection and browser settings, then return to the official download page and try again. Sometimes, a simple retry is all you need. And that's how to download VS Code. Once the installer is ready, you can install the editor and begin configuring your development workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch